Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mriganka and I am the soft skills trainer for Inspiria Knowledge Campus. Welcome to In-depth. Food and beverage, as we know, has two aspects. You have the food production and the food service. Now the food service is basically the main limelight of the entire food and beverage department, because day in and day out you have different trends that are coming in, different ways of serving and plating, and that is something that the students learn here as to how are you supposed to be greeting the guests, how do you meet the guests, and how do you give them exactly what they're looking for. So I have one of my students. Let's get to hear a little bit about what are the different kind of challenges that you faced in this. Hi Debangar.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So what are you making today?
So today we are making a Moscow Mule, which is a cocktail.
Okay. And can you just walk me through with the process in making this?
Most certainly, sir. Right now I put in some vodka and now I'll be putting some ice and lemon.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
Let me see how you make it.
I'll be putting in 15 ml of this lemon juice.
Okay. So when you said ice, I'm guessing you're not going to put ice cubes.
No, sir, it's crushed ice.
Crushed ice,
Yes,
of course.
And I'll be topping it off with some ginger beer.
Okay. So in order to get to know a little bit about what are the different things that a student needs to be mindful about, let's get to talk to Rinzi, who is one of our bright students. Hi Rinzi.
Hi sir.
So tell me Rinzi, while doing this course, you're in your second semester and you have been taking these classes since a very long time.
Yes.
So what are the challenges, or what are the skills rather? First tell me, what are the skills that you have learned in this practical lab?
So far we have learned about how to welcome a guest and how to escort them to their table and how to serve them water.
Okay, so do you think that this skill that you learned about being more interactive with people, do you think that helps you in your journey in this field that you're studying?
Yes sir.
It does?
Yes sir, it does.
Okay, great. So joined here with me is Professor Adhiraj Roy Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, School of Hospitality. Right? Hello sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So sir, I just wanted to know, can you just walk me through with what are the different kind of things that these students learn in this lab?
Absolutely. So when a student is taking admission in first year, so they are made aware of different kinds of food service. So first they are taught about welcoming a guest, how to welcome a guest, how to talk with the guest, what are the words they should use while talking or interacting with a guest. After that we teach them how to do a cover setup. So when we enter a restaurant, we see that there are different, the tables are laid with different cutleries and crockeries. Those are known as cover setups. So we teach the students that how to do a cover setup in a restaurant. After that we teach the students how to take orders. And then after that we teach the students how to serve different kinds of foods.
Right.
So when we are done with food, during the second or third semester, we start with beverage practicals.
Okay.
We teach them different types of bar operations, and we teach them different ways of making different cocktails and mocktails.
Okay, so all in all, a very holistic approach, like starting from, how the table should be looking to what should you be putting on the table.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
All right, very nice. So my next question to you would be, what are the key skills that the students learn in this lab? Like you told me, what are the things that they learn, but then these are some things that is a part of the syllabus, and that is something that they need to learn in order to progress. But if we talk about certain skills, certain life skills that the students learn from all that you teach here, like what are those key skills that you can tell me?
Like I have already mentioned you that the students learn about different styles of serving different food and different beverages. Now I must tell you that whenever we are serving food, whenever we talk of food, there are different service techniques for different food items. There are different service techniques for different beverages. So when we are serving cocktails, there is a different service technique. When we are serving whiskey, there are different service techniques. There are different accompaniments that we serve with different beverages and foods. So we teach them each and every accompaniments, each and every style of service when it comes to food and beverage.
So sir, how do you ensure that the students get a hands-on experience? Because as I see is you have a lot of students in the batch, right? But then not everybody, I'm pretty sure, gets an experience to have a hands-on learning kind of a thing. So how do you ensure that? Is there anything that you do in order to make sure that everybody gets a chance to prepare or practice whatever it is that you're teaching so that it helps them?
Well, so when it comes to practical, as you have while you have entered the lab, you saw that I was demonstrating something about this cocktail. So first I give demonstration to the students how a particular cocktail or a mocktail or any food service, how it is done. So after I give a demonstration, the students understand it, they take a note of it, and finally they execute the same themselves. So they come behind the bar and they do some or prepare some cocktails and mocktails. This gives a hands-on experience to the students.
Right, wonderful. Right, thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Thank you.
Looking forward to meeting you again.
Sure.
Hopefully.
Thank you so much.
So this, ladies and gentlemen, was an insight into one of the practicals of HHA, where we learned about the different things that are there in the curriculum and also the different skills that the kids are learning, which helps them in their career, whether they want to do a job or they want to pursue themselves as an entrepreneur. This is me signing off for this episode. I'll see you around in the next one. Till then, take care and do what you love.